Hi team, I was playing a bit of GeoGuessr and thought it'd be fun to record something on the Villa Finder map, and so I quickly recorded as I was playing, just starting to play on the classic mode, and okay, my goal here is just to explain to you a little bit my thought process going through it, so maybe it can be helpful for you to understand a little bit our destinations as well. So here we have something which is very green, so that's fairly southern, and here as I move around I notice this sort of a roof which looks like something you find in southern Italy. I think you will see this covered in the training. I see another one as I go around. I'm moving along, I'm thinking, okay, maybe I can find the name of a city or a village that could help. I don't see any of it. I see more of those roofs. So I'm just going to go and zoom in on Puglia here, Plunkett, and we are 26 kilometers away. Alright. Okay, here we go, second location. We are obviously in Bali, no doubt. We're somewhere in the Bukit. We see white sand, quite easy. It's a very small beach. I recognize the beach. I actually forget that it's called Padang Padang at that point, so I recognize the bridge, no doubt. We definitely are in Padang Padang, but I had forgotten the name. So I'm gonna go around. I know it's somewhere around here. Then I see here something small. I'm thinking, okay, I'm gonna click it, but obviously it's not there. I could have done much better here. Okay, now new one. Look around. This looks quite dry. It looks Spanish. It's not something that you would see in some of our other destinations. So we know it's Spain. Then looking around, I see a city. I also see a sign here, which I missed initially. And I see Ibiza and Formentera. Ibiza, you know, is the local name for Ibiza, and Formentera is the small island next to it. I look at it, and then for some reason I'm thinking, okay, wait, is this Minorca? And I'm confused, not sure why. I look around. Okay, and I see this Park Natural de Ses Salines. I see the Playa de Salines here, and so I just decided to go for it. Actually, it was in Formentera, so bad choice here. Okay, next one. We see a sign.it, so we know we're in Italy. It looks definitely not like southern Italy. I hope you see the difference from earlier. We don't see any mountains, anything like this, so we know we are in Tuscany, and so I just plunk it here in the middle of Tuscany. Okay, next one. We see a lot of palm trees. Doesn't look like Indonesia. Could be Thailand. But the road doesn't really look like a Thai road. So I'm just going to go around. Thai roads are usually made of concrete, which is how I know it's not a Thai road. Go around. Here I see a sign. Okay, confirmed. We are in Sri Lanka, no doubt. With this vegetation and this kind of paddy here, we know we're in South Sri Lanka. I've seen this before, so here we go. 24,753, not too bad. So now we're gonna go for a different mode. I see the records from the position. Okay, we're gonna go for the no moving mode. So I move the moving and let's go for it. Okay, same thing here. So we are, at first I think we're somewhere in Indonesia because of the vegetation, palm tree. I'm actually confused. Then I realized no, tuk-tuks and this sort of vehicles. This is definitely Sri Lanka. And here I'm gonna go somewhere in the middle of Sri Lanka because it looks like it's somewhere with some altitude. Didn't look too coastal. Okay, next one here is obviously Kuta. It's written, no big deal. So I'm gonna go and try and find the exact location here. So, okay, looking for something on the signs that would explain. I don't see any sign with a name that says, that has a landmark or something specific. Well, I see we're in a small lane. I'm putting it somewhere in a small lane. Actually, it was a little bit further north, but not too bad, just a few meters away. Okay, this definitely looks like Thailand. We see some Thai script, so no doubt. We see the name of a hotel. I guess we could go and look for that hotel, but judging by how it looks mostly to be something that you would find in Phuket, in a larger town. So it must be Phuket town. So I just click in the middle of Phuket town here, near the old town, and not too bad, 2 kilometers away. Last one, I think, no doubt, it has to be Bali. Here I see the name of a village. I don't know this village, I don't know where it is. I look around, I see a Kabupaten, which is Karangasem, it's written in here. And so I'm thinking, okay, this is East Bali. I go at first towards the east. I forgot where it was exactly, which is the Amed region. Then I'm confused. I look around. Wait, can I see a name somewhere? I can't see Karangasem. I can't see any of the name of the different regions of Bali. So I'm just exploring. Do I see something that looks familiar that would trigger my memory? I don't at first. Here I actually go over the name of the village, but I remember, okay, commit, it must be east. I'm pretty sure Karangasem is east. So what else do we see here? Nothing much that's helpful. I go back to this, see the name of the village. Okay, Tanyar. So I'm thinking, okay, why don't we scan for Tanyar? Maybe we can see this village somewhere. It's not too small. And actually we see it on the map. I miss it here. Then I go back. Oh, I see it. Okay, zoom in. So I'm going to try and find the exact location because it's like a pretty small village. Looks like our road is going northwest. So I'm going somewhere where the road goes northwest. I'm looking for a landmark that will help me to pinpoint it exactly. We can see that there are 2 small roads next to each other. It's pretty gettable. I'm going further north. Only 3 seconds on the clock. I go back somewhere more south and I miss it. And it was right there. Not too bad, 600 meters away. Alright, and last one here, we have something that looks Italian. You can actually see on the plate that there's some blue on both sides. This is something that's found only in Italy. Here the architecture is definitely something that looks more like northern Italy. Here I notice a bus stop. I see that it's line 14, so it tells me it's somewhat of a larger city. Here's something we can't read. So I'm thinking northern Italy. Doesn't look like it's anywhere in the mountains though, so it wouldn't be Como. So I'm just gonna go north Italy, pick Florence because it's the largest city. And in fact it was Pisa, not too bad. And we end up with 24,500. Alright, hope you like this and have fun with the map.